In this video, we're going to explore how to price and create your entry offers in a way that's easy for your audience to say yes to, while providing them with real value that sets the stage for your higher ticket offers. What are entry offers and why do they matter? Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why entry offers are so important. An entry offer is the first paid product you offer after someone has consumed your free content. This is usually a low-cost offer designed to introduce your audience to the transformation you provide, without making them commit to a large financial investment. Here's why entry offers matter. 1. They convert leads into paying customers. Your freebie gets people interested, but your entry offer turns them into paying customers. This is your chance to start monetizing the relationships you've built and turn followers into buyers. 2. They build trust and credibility. Entry offers give your audience a taste of what you have to offer. When they see that your low-ticket offer provides value, they are more likely to purchase from you again in the future. 3. They prepare your audience for higher ticket offers. Once people invest in your entry-level product, they're more likely to trust you with higher ticket offers because they've experienced the value you provide. How to price your entry offers. Pricing. Your entry offers can be tricky because you don't want to price too low and undervalue your work, or too high and make it hard for your audience to say yes. Here's how to find that sweet spot. 1. Consider the value you're offering. Your entry offer should solve a specific problem and offer real value, but keep in mind that it doesn't need to be over-the-top complex. You want to provide just enough value to make your audience feel like they've received more than what they paid for. For example, a $27 mini course might cover a specific topic like how to create content for Instagram and offer step-by-step instructions and actionable tips. A $47 workbook could provide a detailed roadmap or template that helps your audience complete a specific task, like creating their first digital product. The key is to price it at a level where your audience feels like they're getting real value without hesitation. 2. Price for accessibility. Entry offers are designed to be affordable and low risk for your audience. Your goal here is to make it easy for them to say yes. Generally, you want to price your entry offer between $19 and $97. Consider $19 for a simple digital download or mini guide, $29.49 for a mini course or live workshop, $97 for more comprehensive products like a full training or program. This range ensures that your audience doesn't feel like they're making a huge commitment, but still values what you're offering. 3. Don't undervalue yourself. While you want to keep it affordable, don't sell yourself short. Your time, expertise, and content are worth more than a $5 price tag. Remember, the goal is to build a business and not just give away your expertise for free. Even an entry offer should reflect your value and the results your audience will get from it. How to create your entry offer. Now that you know how to price your entry offer, let's talk about creating the actual product. Entry offers should be quick to consume, actionable, and focused on delivering a specific result. Here's how to create a successful entry offer. 1. Solve a specific problem. The first step in creating your entry offer is to solve a specific problem for your audience. You don't need to solve every problem they have, just one problem at a time. This will help you create a laser-focused product that provides real value. For example, if you're a fitness coach, your entry offer could be a 7-day meal prep guide to help people eat healthier without the overwhelm. If you're a business coach, your entry offer could be a step-by-step Instagram growth strategy that walks people through actionable steps for growing their followers. Your entry offer should help your audience take immediate action and experience a quick win. 2. Make it simple and consumable. When creating your entry offer, don't overcomplicate things. Your audience is looking for simple, easy-to-digest content that they can apply right away. For example, short video tutorials. Keep them under 15 to 20 minutes to avoid overwhelming your audience. PDF guides. Keep them short and actionable. No one wants to read a 50-page document when they're just starting out. Checklists or templates. These are easy to use and implement, and they provide immediate value. The goal is for your audience to complete the offer quickly and see tangible results, so they trust you enough to move to your next level offers. 3. Use a simple format. You don't need to get fancy with your entry offer. Just focus on making it straightforward and easy to access. Some formats to consider: mini courses, 2 to 3 lessons that walk your audience through the basics of a specific topic. Workbooks or guides, a step-by-step resource that helps your audience implement what they're learning. Templates, ready-made templates that make it easy for your audience to take action, e.g., social media calendars, content creation templates, etc. The format you choose should depend on the type of value your audience is looking for, but remember to keep it simple and actionable. How to promote your entry offer. Now that you've created your entry offer, the next step is promoting it to your audience. Here's how you can drive traffic and increase sales. 1. Promote your freebie first. The easiest way to sell your entry offer is to promote it after your freebie. Once someone grabs your free resource, you can direct them to your paid product as the next step in their journey. For example, after someone downloads your free guide, you could say, "Now that you have the guide, if you want more in-depth training, check out my $27 mini course." 2. Leverage social media. Use Instagram stories, reels, and posts to promote your entry offer. Make sure to use clear CTAs like "swipe up to get started" or "link in bio to grab your offer." 3. Email marketing. Once someone signs up for your freebie, you can send them a nurturing email sequence that introduces your entry offer. Make sure to use clear and direct CTAs to guide them to the purchase. Final tip: entry offers are about getting your audience to take action without the pressure of a high-ticket commitment. They should solve a specific problem, offer immediate value, and be priced at a level that feels easy for your audience to invest in. Create an entry offer that leads to transformation, not just information. The more value you offer at this stage, the more likely your audience will trust you with higher-priced offers down the road. By creating an effective entry offer, you're not only building trust, you're also setting the stage for future sales and long-term customer loyalty.